Today, we set out on a week-long cruise aboard the MSC Seashore out of Port Canaveral, Florida. Come wander with us as we share our experiences on one of MSC's largest ships. It's Embarkation Day, so welcome aboard the MSC Seashore. All right, here we are. We are in Orlando. We flew in last night on a pretty harrowing journey after a 4-hour delay and the worst turbulence I've ever dealt with in my flying career. But here we are. Bad. We are ready to head out to the cruise ship.
Our Uber will be here in just a minute or two, and we are it's about a 45-minute drive, so let's go.
As we arrived at Port Canaveral, we could see our ship off in the distance.
Our check-in time was between 12:30 and 1 o'clock. It's about 12:40 right now, and this line's like about 2 blocks long. So there's a nice little breeze here, and it's not raining yet, so that's great news. But yeah, just take a look at some of this. Got through security pretty quickly, which was surprising. So now, I don't know what time it is, but...
It is 12:59.
12:59, so it's been about 15 minutes since we got dropped off, 20 minutes. And we are now in the line getting ready to be checked in. We got through the check-in process, and now we're standing in line as our last little bit to get onto the gangway, as you see behind me. So I don't know, what time is it?
1:11.
1:11. So started out about 12:45, and it's 1:11.
Here we go.
Just like that.
Huh?
Yep, we're together. Hey, babe. We're on.
We made it.
We're on the MSC Seashore. Woo!
Woohoo!
Another couple of steps, and we will be through security and done, and have ourselves a great time. And like that.
And here we are.
Here we are.
One of the things that we like about MSC is that you're allowed to go directly to your cabin and drop off your carry-on luggage. Let's check out our home for the next week. Well, hello. Come on in.
So this is it. It's a nice stateroom, but it's a little bit shallower than the other staterooms we've been on the Divina and on the Magnifica, but it's very well laid out. You got a closet, I believe.
We have a closet.
Safe up there, and then what's on the other side? Is it just shelves or is it
hanging? So it's got shelves and drawers, and then hanging. Couple shelves, and then there's a couple more drawers over here. Yeah. I like the finish.
It's a pretty nice layout overall. All right, what do we got for the bathroom?
All right, there's a bathroom. Ooh, actually, that's really nice. Not the standard bath we're used to.
So, yeah, a little higher end appointed than our previous bathrooms on, like I said, the other couple of
older ships.
On
These
older
is
ships.
The newer ship.
And this is only a few years old. So, but overall, pretty nice. Got to say, that's probably
so far so good.
Oh, we forgot something. We got to turn the AC on too.
Yeah.
All the way.
That, it's a little warm.
So that, and now we are going to go walk around and check the ship out.
All right, we are headed down to the photo gallery to get the wristbands. That way you can get into your room without your key card. So let's see how this works. Hi there, we wanted 2 wristbands. We got our wristbands.
Pretty cool. We'll see how they work though. All right, now we have to find, what do we need?
We're going to the restaurant.
We're going to the restaurant. I think it's this way?
This way. Either way. Oh. Okay. It says fully booked. There's only a waiting list, but we can ask about our table. I have a question. Okay. Can we Can you see if we're seated with someone else?
Are you in agreement?
I believe so.
Table 435. Let's go take a look.
Okay. MSC often seats couples at the same table. We generally try to see if we can change our table to a table for two because we don't want to interrupt other people's dinner if we're filming. On past MSC cruises, we were able to make the change directly in the dining room, but here we were told we had to go upstairs and speak to the manager in a different location.
Well, Anne's stuck in that line to try and change our dinner seat location in the main dining room restaurant. So, and that line is moving really, really slow. So I'm going to go grab us a couple of drinks so that maybe we can quench ourselves a little bit. It's been a very warm day and we could use a little bit of refreshments. Okay, we are heading over to the atrium. We fell asleep, unfortunately. We took a nap. So we missed the sail away party, but I have a feeling
Come sail away.
it was inside anyways. So
Yeah, we got to be inside. Darn rain.
go over here to the, what is it, the Shine Bar? Shine Bar. Oh, those waves are a little bit rough out there right now. Wow.
Ooh, somebody brought me something good.
This is a strawberry daiquiri.
And I got a blue Hawaiian.
All right, 2 good crews.
Look at the architecture here. This is really cool if you pan up.
After having a drink at the Shine Bar Lounge, we decided to check out the casino. This large Vanini glass sculpture spans 3 decks and is over 39 feet tall. It features 190 hand-blown red, yellow, and amethyst glass figures. The MSC Seashore carries its New York theme beautifully throughout the ship. No place does this show more than its 10-foot-high Statue of Liberty that stretches upward from the casino bar. We came across this line dancing class in Times Square on Deck 6. It sure looked like a lot of fun. As we continued walking around the ship, we went up to Deck 8 to check out the gym and Aria Spa. They had these wonderfully large porthole windows, which made for a great photo stop.
Oh, okay.
Time for dinner.
It's about what, 7:05?
7:05.
We have the late dining.
No, we have mid-dining.
or
They have
mid-dining.
3 on this ship.
Oh, they have 3. Anyways, we're like 7:15 for dining, so we're gonna go down and grab something to eat and then do some more touring of the ship. So let's get going. Okay, we are on Deck 5 at our restaurant, the Central Park. Central Park on Deck 5.
And I think they just opened the doors.
They just opened the doors, so as you can see, a lot of people, but yeah.
This ship has 3 dining times, and so they're 5, 7:15, and 9:30.
Oh, baby, another cruise.
Happy cruise!
Hey, we got our appetizers here, and I just thought this was kind of humorous here. We'll show you I've ordered mozzarella stuffed meatballs
For an appetizer.
for an appetizer. So I just wanted to show you this. This is kind of funny. I get 1 meatball.
1 meatball.
I get 1.
It's a very pretty meatball.
The presentation is very nice, but I just thought it was kind of funny, so I just wanted to share that. So it is a big meatball, though.
It is a big meatball, and size does definitely matter. So
Touche. Pretty good. It's got a good flavor. I like the mozzarella in it, though. We got our main entree. We both got the prime rib.
prime rib.
I did it more for the potato than anything. I'm big
I
on-
actually got mine for the meat.
Yeah. So yeah, thin slice cut. We'll give it a try here. You want to do that, Ann? Give us the honors.
I get to do the honors. All right. Well, I cut it with a butter knife. That's a good start. Oh my God.
Is that good?
Melt in your mouth.
Okay. So yeah.
It's tender. I had some prime rib on the buffet earlier and it was a lot more rough. Probably been under the light a longer time.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
In what we found to be a really unusual move, the staff in the dining room made us take our extra wine out in Dixie cups. Real classy. Remember those wristbands we bought earlier? They not only allow you to easily access your cabin and make purchases, but they also can be used with the large boards to make reservations to see some of the shows. On the seashore, you need to set up reservations for some of the acts in the main theater. Act quickly because the shows do sell out and you don't want to miss the world-class entertainment. We opted for the 9:30 show in the theater and got some pretty decent seats.
We're going to welcome to the stage the cast of The Journey!
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling.
So, we just got done watching a really cool musical, and now we are going to the Glow Party. So this will be fun.
This place was packed. You almost couldn't find a seat. When they started playing Cotton Eye Joe, everyone really got into it, including us. We had to dub over some of the music so we wouldn't get a copyright strike.
Wow, that was fun.
Yeah.
What you think?
That was fun.
Wow, what a night. We're exhausted. It's pushing what, midnight?
Yeah.
Pushing midnight. We've had very little sleep in the last 2 days, and I think we're going to call it a night here so that we can get a fresh start tomorrow. And we're supposed to go to Ocean Key tomorrow, and I don't know about Ann, but that's what I'm really looking forward to.
I am. The last cruise we were on, it was canceled, so.
Yeah. So with that, we will bid everybody a good night.
It was a great beginning to our cruise. Our next couple of days are going to be at Ocean Cay Marine Reserve, so stay tuned next week to see all the fun and adventure that we have as we wander aboard the MSC Seashore. Thanks for watching.